Good day, ladies and gentlemen. If you think candlestick patterns don't work, just know that you are using it the wrong way. Okay, so if you think Japanese candlesticks don't actually make a lot of sense, just know that you are using them the wrong way. What do I mean by this? There are two things you must be doing to be using Japanese candlesticks the wrong way. Okay, so candlestick patterns are best when you use them on key levels. Okay, so at key levels should be where you should be anticipating these particular patterns in order to utilize them to influence your trading decision. So the two things you are doing wrongly is you are using them at random levels, and also you are using them on lower time frames. Okay, they are more significant on higher time frames. So once you've learned all your candlestick patterns, the doji, the hammer, hanging man, morning star, evening star, reverse hammer, etc., just know they are best used on higher time frames and also at key levels. I'll prove that to you in a bit. Okay, so you can see what we have right here. We have an order block right here which forms in between a momentum move. Now we're waiting for price to come back there in order to enter a sell trade. Excuse me. So look at this. Price tapped back into that zone and then formed a reverse hammer. Okay, so you can see our reverse hammer, which is a sign that price wants to move in the downwards direction. This is the H1 time frame, so this is not a low time frame. All right, so if you're looking for reverse hammers and hammers on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, some of them are going to actually deliver, but you get a lot of false signals because the noise on those lower levels, those lower time frames is kind of much. But once you step up to 1 hour time frame, H4, then you are moving up to time frames where your candlestick patterns will be very, very significant. Okay, where it's gonna make a lot of sense and it will deliver most of the time. As you can see right here on the H1 time frame, take note of what I did. This pattern formed at a key level, so I'm using two things. It's higher time frame and it's a key level. You see your reverse hammer right there. You can enter a sell trade, SL above the level. Okay, SL just above the level, and you manage your trade to the downside, as you can see that. So let's look for more patterns. You can see what happened here, still tapping into that same zone. What do we have here? We have a doji. Okay, this is a doji. Hope you can see it. This is a doji right here, which tells us that this upwards movement is about to end. Okay, so that indecision candle, which we call a doji, is telling us that a reversal is imminent, and then it was followed by what looks like a bearish engulfing. Okay, we also have a 2 candle pattern here which looks like an engulfing also. So if you missed this first one, you could actually enter on the second one. Let me zoom the second one very well. The second one is not really an engulfing, it just looks like an engulfing. The first one is the actual engulfing. But even the single candle pattern, which is the doji, tells us the price is about to move in the opposite direction against the direction it is currently moving, which is upward. So the opposite of upwards is downwards, definitely. So you would look to enter a sell trade. Look at this bearish engulfing also here. Right here, can you see that 2 candle pattern? It's a bearish engulfing, after which you would have entered a sell trade. So what key level did we have there? Let me zoom out a bit and search for the key level. Where is it? Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, I had a hard time finding the actual order block that it tapped into, but I found it. I got confused by the lines, while I was recording the video. So okay, this is the order block it tapped into. You can see it right here. This is the order block it tapped into. You have it right there. So price tapped into it and then gave us a candlestick pattern, which is a bearish engulfing. Look at it here, of which you would have entered. Place your stop loss above that level and manage your trade to the downside, and it gave us a beautiful sell trade. Okay, so if you're a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.